no, wait a minute. No, that is not in my plans. I have something else. Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me on another video. If you are new, let me tell you, here I like to talk about how to budget money, how to save money, and I also like to touch on topics about how to live a more intentional lifestyle. If these are topics that would interest you, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll tell you, today I'll be sharing my 14 items to declutter later after this quote, and today is day 18. So the quote for today is, your beliefs about money are a commitment. Your beliefs about money are a commitment. How do you feel about this quote? I really think that sometimes we grew up with certain beliefs, or maybe we saw certain actions, or they didn't never teach us about how to properly manage finances, and we just grew up like that. It doesn't mean that whatever beliefs about money that we grew up with, we have to keep them. A lot of the times we learn from financial experts, we learn from other people, we learn from books, and we change our thinking about money. So it doesn't mean that we have to stick with what the thoughts that we grew up with about money. As far as money, we can change. We can change. But when we are adults, I really think that the whatever belief we have about money is a commitment. For instance, if we set a goal, or we want to achieve something or buy something, we have to save for it, we have to work for it. So, and if obviously that involves money, we have to commit to it. So if we set a goal, long-term goal or short-term goal, like let's say we did our vision board, which I made a video about how to work on your vision board. If you want to go ahead and watch it, I'll probably link it at the end of the video. But let's say you did your vision board, and that takes money. Once you have your dream set and your goals, now you have to set a plan. Once you set a plan that involves your money, you have to commit to that plan, to your dreams, to your goals. So now that you believe, you truly believe you need to save that money, or you need to live more frugally, whatever beliefs about money, that would be your commitment. Your beliefs about money are your commitment. They become a commitment. So let's just say also, there's someone selling you something. If you're not committed to what it is you want to do with your money, and they're a good salesperson, they're going to sell you whatever they want because you're not committed. But if you are committed, whatever it is you believe about your money becomes a commitment. You're going to be committed. You're going to say no, and it doesn't matter who comes and tells you otherwise, or who comes and wants to sell you anything. You're going to say, no, wait a minute. No, that is not in my plans. I have something else in mind, and I believe my money is for this or for that. Because you have your goal set. You have you know what it is you want to achieve. Whether if it's a dream, a goal, financial freedom, but that becomes your beliefs about money. And in order to reach those goals, you have to be committed. You have to be committed, but you have to be true to yourself. You have to be true to yourself so that it doesn't matter who wants to brainwash you or whatever and convince you to do otherwise. be true to yourself, and be true to what you believe about money, because your beliefs about money are a commitment, and this commitment could be your life commitment. You probably and you should always have goals, and you should always know what it is that you want to achieve, so that no one can come and convince you otherwise. And so that way you'll always know what it is, where you want your money to go, always, and you have that commitment. So hopefully this quote made you think what kind of commitment do you have with your money. Your beliefs about money are a commitment. Do you know how committed you are to your money? Do you know what it is that you believe about your money? What is it that you want in the future? If you're true, if you truly believe that you want whatever it is you want for the future, you'll commit, and you'll achieve it. So I hope this brought value to your life and brought you a thought. Thank you so much for being here on another video, and for now I'll go ahead and share with you my 14 items for day 18. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much for being here. Bye bye. In the 14 items that I have to declutter for today, I got into my kitchen. I have this appliance that I've never used. Someone gave it to us, and to be honest, we never used it. My husband, it's not really very much into steamed vegetables or fish or anything like that, which that's for. I mean, I'm sure you can cook anything else, but we've never used it. We usually just use our pots and pans, and we don't use it. We also got it for our wedding, and so it's been almost 10 years since I've been storing it. So I'm letting it go now. I have this water dispenser, like for kind of like punch for parties and stuff, that needs the bottom of it, the base, but I thought we could use it like on a table and or something, but we never have parties. We really don't, and when we haven't used it. I have that can opener and like soda opener bottles, but I have other ones. I have those thongs that I will be getting rid of because I have another set that are black. I have this leggings. I have two, a gray and a black. I believe I've worn the black one, but I really didn't like the material much. And also it has that a design all on the sides of the legs. And I thought it was really cute and sexy when I got them, but honestly, when I put them on, I don't know. It's kind of complicated for me to decide what to combine it with, what else to wear on the top. And I like leggings, but not this type. I didn't really like them, and the gray ones are new. These pants I love the way they fit. They do look nice from the top, but to be honest, on the bottom, on the legs, they're too wide, and they're from Gap. They're in good condition. My husband mentioned that to me, and to be honest, we have a plan that if something doesn't look good on him or something doesn't look good on me, we're going to be honest. And yeah, I agree with him. This beautiful blouse, I love it. It's so nice, and I think it's so elegant, but it's very tight on the waist and on the top also. When I put it on, I can hardly even, I think I only wear it once, but it's hard to put it on or take it off. And this blouse right here, it's also very nice. It's kind of like suede material, but on the inside right there where I'm showing you on the decoration on the inside, it feels uncomfortable. It pokes me, so I'm getting rid of it. I thought I could probably put something on the inside, but to be honest, I'm not gonna reach for it. And it's I love the design, but I'm not gonna reach for it, so I'm getting rid of it. This dress right here, it's way bigger than my size, but I thought I could wear it like to clean around the house or whatever, but honestly, it's not my style. It's not sexy, and why would I wear something that's not sexy or doesn't make me feel a little sexy around the house? This right here is an attachment to a hair dryer, and the other one it's like an attachment to something else. I don't even know what it is. I'm getting rid of it. And right here I have a set of a comb and other pieces for the hair to style it and everything, but I've never used it since I got it. It's been quite a few years probably. So I'm getting rid of it now. I really thought I would like it and would like to use it, but I don't reach out for that kind of stuff. This mouthwash, we didn't like it. Someone gave it to us, so I'm just getting rid of it. All this stuff that I'm decluttering is just to inspire you. I know some days it's big stuff, some days it's small stuff. Sometimes it's a little harder than others, but it's just to inspire you so that you can think of stuff you might have and not using, or that you can recycle or throw away. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.